Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 13, 2022. Two-star Sudoku. 8th row, 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is from here. Column G, 8th row, 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is from here. Column G, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come here another 2 cells. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is from here. Then 3 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. Column F, column D, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 2 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, second row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Third row, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 2. Column I, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. First grade, then column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column D, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column C, column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Second grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. then 6 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this, so 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 6. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this, so 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column C, and first grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.